What? Oh. Hi, welcome to Puck Talk. I'm Josh Hoover. This is Noah Harse from the Lambton Minor Bantam AAA. Noah, what position do you play?
Defense,
What do your teammates call you?
Harse.
Would you rather be the best on a losing team or the worst on a winning team?
Worst on a winning team.
Who is the best dressed on the team?
Me, of course.
Who has the best chirps on the team?
Victor Tang.
If you could have anything for free for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Ice cream.
If you owned your own hockey team, what would you call it?
The Puck Bunnies.
Street hockey or pond hockey?
Pond. All the way.
Who is the funniest teammate?
Victor.
What is the best thing that has happened to you this week?
I'm not concussed anymore.
Wayne Gretzky or Connor McDavid?
What?
I don't know. Why did it stop?
Is it full?
Okay, go.
Wayne Gretzky or Connor McDavid?
I'll have to say Wayne Gretzky.
What is your favorite smell?
Farts.
If you were arrested with no explanation, what would your family and friends assume you've done?
Probably broke into something.
Who's the sexiest on the team?
That's gonna be hard.
Now we're going to do word association. I'm going to say a word, and you'll say the first thing that comes to your mind.
Okay.
Pylon,
Me,
biscuit,
Todd,
goon,
Hoover,
Red Wings,
amazing.
pig hat,
Ryan Richardson.
Gordy,
How?
Bender.
Oh, that's Todd again.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes.
Let's get the puck out of here.